Hello Crafty Llamas! In this video I'll be showing you how to knit 2 stitches together in order to decrease your total stitch count. I will also be showing you how to slip knit continental style in order to decrease. So I have cast on 20 stitches in some double knit yarn just so that I can show you how it's going to work. And I have my 3.75mm bamboo needles from Higher. So I'm going to knit the first 3 stitches just to give us a nice secure border. 1, 2 and 3. So when you are knitting in the combination style for continental knitters, the slip knit is a little bit moot. The slip bit is anyway, because the whole point of slipping the stitches is to twist your stitches the other way, because with standard continental you would knit through the front loop, which is this one here. The stitches twist as you pass them from one needle to the next. When you are doing it in the combination knitting style, you'll actually find that you don't twist those stitches, so there's no need to slip them before you knit them. So when it says slip knit on a pattern and you're using combination continental, you literally just go through the back loops of both stitches like so and knit those 2 together. And what you get then is your slant of the stitches will be going that way. So I'll show you that again. So for the slip knit in combination, and it's really important that you remember this is for combination knitters because it will vary for continental and English style knitting. So you don't, like I said, the slipping is moot because you don't need to untwist your stitches. You can literally just pass through the back of those 2 stitches like so. Make sure you've got both on the needle, yarn over and pull that through. And then, as I said, you've then got the slant, as you can see here, is heading in that direction. Let me bring that into focus, like so. So you can see it's slanting. There we go. So if we do it the other way, which would be just your standard knit 2 together, you can either go through the back again, or realistically what you'll probably want to do, depending on the pattern and the slant and the angle that you want, you'll probably want to go through the front loops. So this is like you would if you were kind of knitting through the front of the stitch, like so. So you need to pick up both, and you're going from the left hand side of your needle towards the right. So you're slipping underneath like so. It's a bit tight, and then you are wrapping over and pulling that through, and that is essentially twisting your stitches. So what you'll see, I'll do that again for you. So you're going to go underneath that leg and a second like so, and then you're going to pull that through like so. So if I now bring this up to the camera for you to see, what you'll see is that those 2, the first 2 slant in that direction, and the following 2 that I've just done slant in the, oh, I just need to tighten that stitch up a little bit, there we go, it's a bit gappy, and then those ones slant in this direction. So that is essentially how you get your slanting decrease, and it depends as to whether you go through the back leg or the front leg as to which slant you're going to get. I hope this helps. This was something that for a long time I didn't understand, that actually I don't need to slip the stitches, and that is completely pointless when you are knitting in the combination style. And for a long time I didn't understand that, and it took me a while to figure out that actually what I need to consider when I'm knitting is which way I want the stitches to actually angle. For example, if you are getting to the taper of a jumper, if you've done it from the bottom up and you need it to taper in this way, you'd knit 2 together initially, which would on your pattern probably be marked down as a slip knit. Then on the other side, what you'd want to do is knit through the front legs of the stitches so that you are getting that tapered edge. Otherwise it's going to be ever so slightly slanty. Whilst it's not actually going to kind of decrease in that fashion, your stitches will just look wonky. So you do want to make sure that you are slip knit per se, and then you knit 2 together like that. Once you've kind of done this, you will be able to see a little bit more clearly what I mean about the slant of the stitches. I would recommend just having a couple swatches, doing one with one method and the other with the other method, just so you can see how the slanting does actually work. If you have enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please do let me know by commenting below and liking it. We do have weekly videos, so please do subscribe to my channel. Our social media handle is Crafty Llama UK, so you can find us on various platforms using that. Please tag us if you attempt anything in this video, and of course you can purchase the needles and cable that I've used today from my shop, which I will link below. That's it for this week's video, but I'll be back with you next week for another one. Bye!